Finally, the Phase Review tab will be used for reviewing as same as Phase Review tab of Requirement Gathering phase. The purpose of the Phase Review tab is to concisely specify the deliverables comprising the design point at the end of the phase. The expected output from the requirement gathering phase is a complete listing of the customer and engineering requirements. But being a flexible design paradigm, the ecosystem leaves it up to the designer to choose the tools best suited to accomplish the goal for the project at hand. The user can either specify the location or import images into the location column. The completed column for the default deliverables is auto-populated, in accordance with the content provided. The explanation column is, in part, intended for capturing test-related observations from the early design phases. Before moving on to the next design phase, ecosystem encourages the user to list test-related observations from the detailed design phase. Finally, by referencing the deliverables in the schedule dialog, the user can assign a date to the deliverables listed.